Ladies and gentlemen, how are we? Welcome back to the night stream. Been on a bit of a hiatus, but that's okay. I need the rest. You're coming back here to watch the videos. I appreciate you very, very much. But hey, what is gaming news without Call of Duty news? Am I right? Let's check it out. Like and subscribe. Appreciate videos like I appreciate you. Take a look. Via Deserto, one of my favorites. And I'm going to kind of go over headlines here for this game. It's quite entertaining, but so second half, we're going to check those out. However, COD devs finally clamped down on mouse and keyboard aim assist cheats plaguing Warzone. In my personal experience, I feel like with their anti-cheat, they take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I'm optimistic that whatever they did fixed the cheating, and then you jump into a match and somebody has walls and crazy aim assist, etc., etc. You know, you play COD. You've been there. I'm not going to preach to the choir. Back to the article. Call of Duty devs have finally clamped down on mouse and keyboard aim assist cheats that have been plaguing Warzone and Modern Warfare 3 in the recent weeks. Got to admit, pretty clever. Pretty clever how they're doing this. The debate of mouse and keyboard versus controller has been a long controversial one. Oh, yeah, we all know that. But if there's an advantage controller players will always have against mouse and keyboard, it's aim assist. Correct. I understand why aim assist is there. But people are always finding ways to exploit it. Anyways, especially now that crossplay has become standard, controller supremacy in COD has become readily apparent thanks to its heavy aim assist. True. However, software that spoofed the game into thinking mouse and keyboard inputs were coming from a controller have been impacting the franchise as of late. Like I said, that's pretty clever. Obvious and clever. Giving mouse and keyboard players aim assist as well. But now, COD devs have finally clamped down. Have they, though? Have they? Do I sound not as optimistic as I maybe have been in the past towards them fixing these issues? What do they say? Team Ricochet, our security detection systems now target... There we go. Our security detection systems now target players using tools to activate aim assist while using a mouse and keyboard. The Call of Duty application will close if detected. Repeated use of these tools may lead to further account action. Good. But these guys that are using hacks, there's always a way. Always a way. I remember back at COD 2019, they're saying it goes all the way down into the serial of the motherboard and they can never make a new account, etc., etc. Now, these guys find ways. Let's see what the comments actually have to say. Let's see here. Please only the following items in your request. ATIVID plus COD combat record. What are they all talking about here? Please check your ATVID ID and account linking settings by logging in at profile.call-of-duty. Are they getting spammed here? What is this? Yeah. Please check your only... Yeah, are they just getting hit by bots? Well, that's a shame. What does one real comment sound like? Application will close and repeated use. Why aren't cheaters banned, suspended immediately? You're telling me they can freely exploit until they're detected, and then they'll get a gentle warning. Incredibly soft on cheaters. People wonder why COD is infested with them. This is true. Another comment. So you are telling me you can detect software that gives mouse and keyboard players aim assist, but y'all can't detect software that see players through walls and soft aims. I tell you. Some of the best comments to read are the comments from like their Instagram, which I'm going to have to make a video on that. Back to the article. Announced on the COD Updates Twitter account on January 16th, the devs confirmed that Ricochet, COD's anti-cheat system, will now detect software like WASD, which can activate aim assist on mouth and keyboard. Mouse and keyboard. Our security detection systems now target platters using tools to activate aim assist while using a mouse and keyboard. The Call of Duty application will close if detected. Yeah, we read this already. The devs have been working on banning third-party software and hardware for quite a while. Yeah, don't say. I feel like there's a couple days of like psychosemantic like freedom that I get when I play the game, thinking, oh, they have new software that's getting rid of people that are cheating, but then it's quite obvious when you're in matches on who's cheating and who's not. And it's like, oh, okay, so this was all for nothing. Anyways, with the famous Cronus Zen being detected by Ricochet since April 2023. And just like the Cronus ban, players who have been caught repeatedly abusing the exploit may be hit with a ban here as well. Despite controller dominance with aim assist, mouse and keyboard still allows finer control of aiming, which is why aim assist was never implemented for it, as aim assist is meant to keep a level playing field between the two. Understand that, however, can be exploited. Software that can spoof games into thinking mouse and keyboard inputs as controllers may only be available on PC. However, it can affect other games outside of COD. Popular YouTuber Jack Frags, who highlighted the software, pointed out that games with strong aim assist like Apex Legends or the Finals can be affected by the software, like WSAD. Well, isn't that wonderful? You know, that's just great. Well, it keeps the devs on their toes, right? I just, going through news and stuff on websites and things like that. I mean, I've taken a huge break on Call of Duty. I didn't even buy Modern Warfare 3. I stay in the loop. But I mean, look at these. If you want to understand the state of that, like I said, that Call of Duty is in, go read the comments on Instagram on anything that they post. But just look at the articles here. Just we're going to look at the headlines. We'll see how mixed bag of it is. Warzone players furious as Season 1 Reloaded update breaks game. It's time to quit. How many people are we going to hear that from? Time and time and time after again. Who else was supposed to quit? Oh, Tim the Tatman trolled by Ninja and Warzone stream snipers after Cowboys NFL playoff loss. Wasn't Tim not playing Call of Duty anymore? Hey, I love you, Tim. I really do. You're never going to see this video, so it doesn't matter. But, I mean, onward and onward. Let's check out the headlines on how just constantly negative they are. Modern Warfare 3 devs use wrong optic in weekly challenge description. What is this one? This one's more uplifting. Modern Warfare 3 leak Vanguard Das House map. Okay. How to get the boys A train, okay. Warzone players blast L update as devs disable Champions Quest feature. Warzone players fed up with bugged game after Season 1 Reloaded patch. Massive changes coming to hardpoint locations and spawns. That's good. I'm assuming that's a good thing because when people know spawn points, it's over. Modern Warfare 3 Season 1 Reloaded update just made underused grenade absolutely lethal. So some OP stuff to use, I guess. I feel like they're just giant trolls. Like, I know they try to make the game new and different all the time, but like, I'm tired of and I'm grateful for articles like this, don't get me wrong, but I'm tired of them at the same time. All weapon buffs and nerfs in Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone Season 1 Reloaded. Really? I mean, I guess, right? It's such a big game with such a big player base. Maybe I'm overextending my bounds here. But I'm constantly like, what's the meta? Look, Season 1 Reloaded patch notes, LMG nerfs, Cat AMR nerf. Absolutely, like, Modern Warfare 3 players slam iconic COD map is too campy. Like, I don't know, dude. Dudes and dudettes. I look at stuff like this and I go, you know what? I'm going to sit back on this one. Because this, and listen, maybe this is your thing. Maybe Call of Duty is your thing, and this is what you love about the game, are the buffs and the nerfs, and the drama that's involved with this game. And hey, you know what? If that tickles your toes and gets you excited, more power to you. Me, I got so many other games to play, things that I could actually enjoy and not get me aggravated. So what do you guys think? In general, just how they're doing. How is Ricochet doing? You know, another cheap meta, right? Are you playing Warzone? Are you like me that just, like I say, I mute everybody, I play the multiplayer maps, and I actually have a good time? That's when I'm on stream and I chit-chat with everybody, and I'm able to enjoy myself that way. How are you playing Call of Duty? In what way that you enjoy? Let me know down in the comments. Be nice to each other. It's 2024. I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. I'll talk to you soon.